Thermal shock-resistant borosilicate glass can go from the freezer or fridge to microwave or oven without cracking. Generous handles offer a safe and comfortable grip. Easy read 6" by 10" dimension marking. 1.6 quarts loaf baking dish is great for making breads, pound cakes and more. Microwave safe, oven safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, BPA free and PVC free. Made of borosilicate glass that can withstand extreme temperature changes, the OXO Good Grips Glass 1.6 quarts loaf baking dish with lid lets you move your food directly from the freezer or fridge to the oven or microwave without cracking or shattering. Generous handles make for safe and easy transporting. A clean, elegant design means you can take the 6" by 10" dish from the oven directly to the table. Ideal for making breads, pound cakes and more. Microwave safe, oven safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, BPA free and PVC free. Top reviews from the United States. This one is a keeper. I've tried many other loaf pans with different non-stick finishes. Either they didn't work, or the non-stick finish were off, leaving me to wonder what I was ingesting. I use coconut oil to grease this glass pan and both bread and meatloaf come out clean. I even made stuffed bell peppers, oven-baked in tomato sauce, stored the leftovers in it, thanks to the accompanying lid, and reheated in the microwave. It cleaned up easily with no extra effort. I anticipate that this glass loaf pan will last the rest of my life.